If bypass ratio of subsonic non-afterburning engine is found to be 2.1, then what will be the specific fuel consumption of the same engine at cruise? A 0.8, B 0.1, C 0.3, D 0.4. The correct answer is 0.8. We need to design a supersonic fighter with afterburner which has maximum Mach number of 1.8. If thrust at takeoff is 10,000 unit and bypass ratio is 0.71, then find ratio of length to the diameter for this engine. A 4.9, B 1.8, C 2, D 3.4. The correct answer is 4.9. Calculate the approximate value of length at which supersonic afterburning engine could be designed in such a way that thrust at takeoff will be 29,800 unit and maximum Mach number will be 2.12. A 219, B 100, C 301, D 183.129. The correct answer is 219. If an aircraft has maximum Mach number of 2 and bypass ratio of 0.71, then what will be the weight of the engine? Find the approximate value. Given thrust at takeoff is 10,000 unit. A 1058.5 unit. B 12,000 unit. C 120. D 234.585 unit. The correct answer is 1058.5 unit. At which diameter we should design a supersonic afterburning engine for a fighter which will have thrust at takeoff 150000 unit and bypass ratio of 0.7. A 114.67 unit. B 160.78 unit. C 350.39 unit. D 235.78 unit. The correct answer is 114.67 unit. Which of the following is a type of inlet? A. Mach flush inlet. B. Flap. C. Slat. D. Fuselage. The correct answer is Mach flush inlet. What is the use of inlet section? A. Slow down the incoming air. B. Increase the Mach number of incoming air. C. Increase lift by wing. D. Increase lift curve slope of tail. The correct answer is slow down the incoming air. Inlet pressure recovery is defined as A. Total pressure delivered to the engine divided by free stream total pressure. B. Total dynamic pressure. C. Incoming velocity by incoming Mach number. D. Lift to drag ratio. The correct answer is total pressure delivered to the engine divided by free stream total pressure. Typically diffuser length is about 8 times the diameter for supersonic application. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.